After cleavage, let us discuss the blastulation and gastrulation process. Blastula cleavage, after the cleavage process, blastulation take place. Formation of blastula from morula is called blastulation. During the formation of blastula from morula, in the morula, a cavity is formed which is called blastocele. Then around blastocele, the morula cells arrange to form the blastula. The blastula has a cavity called blastocele, a layer of cells called trophoblast, and an inner cell mass. And the inner cell mass has outer epiblast and lower hypoblast, which we can see in the diagram. This is morula, this is blastula. So formation of morula into blastula is called blastulation. This is the structure of blastula. This layer is called trophoblast layer. This cavity is called blastocele, and this portion is inner cell mass. Inner cell mass has epiblast and hypoblast. Upper layer is epiblast, lower layer is hypoblast. So blastula or blastocyst is formed in the uterus and implant into the endometrium. Blastula टा तैयारी ला परे से जाके endometrium को लागी जाए. Implantation meaning हला लागी जीवा. It is formed about a week after fertilization. Fertilization हेबार गोटे सप्ताह भितरे blastula तैयारी हे जाए. After blastulation there is gastrulation. Gastrulation means gastrula formation. In this diagram you can see this is epiblast and this is hypoblast. From the epiblast and hypoblast, okay, towards epiblast a cavity is formed called amniotic cavity and the covering is called amnion. Towards hypoblast one cavity is formed called the yolk sac, and this portion having hypoblast and epiblast is called as embryonic disc. This portion is embryonic disc, and the embryonic disc is having two layers, upper layer ectoderm, lower layer endoderm. Ectoderm then endoderm, and the ectodermal cells they migrate towards the, you can see they migrate towards the lower part, so that another layer is formed here. You see here, this is developing mesoderm, and when this a layer is formed here, this layer is called mesoderm. So after the formation process is over, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm, these three layers are formed in the embryo, and this formation of this type of three embryo layers from two layers of blastula is called as gastrulation. So in the gastrulation process, in the written side, let us discuss the process of formation of gastrula from blastula is called gastrulation. माने blastula टा gastrula हेबा को कहा जाए gastrulation. Gastrula is an embryo with the 3 germ layers like ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. 3टा लेयर थाए गैस्ट्रुला रे कौन कौन एक्टोडर्म, मेसोडर्म और एंडोडर्म. During the process of both embryonic germ layers as well as extra embryonic germ layers are formed. जहाँ हमें चित्र देखिले these layers are embryonic germ layer. Extra embryonic layer भी तैयारी हुए which we shall discuss later. एंड सेठी जो दीटा सेक पढ़ले आम आमनियोटिक कैविटी एवं यक सेक हाउ दे आर फॉर्मड फ्रॉम एपिब्लास्ट एंड हाइपोब्लास्ट. एपिब्लास्ट फॉर्म्स दी यक सेक एंड हाइपोब्लास्ट फॉर्म्स दी हाइपोब्लास्ट फॉर्म्स दी यक सेक एंड एपिब्लास्ट फॉर्म्स दी amnion. After the formation of these 3 layers, gastrulation is over, and these 3 layers they give rise to specific tissue in the adult, and they are called fat of germ layers. माने जर्म लेयर माने जहाँ तैयारी करिवे भविष्य रे सेटा होची फैट ऑफ जर्म लेयर्स. सो लेट अस डिस्कस द फैट ऑफ जर्म लेयर्स. फैट ऑफ एक्टोडर्म हला एपिडर्मिस ऑफ स्किन, एपिडर्मल डेरिवेटिव लाइक एपिडर्मल ग्लैंड्स, हेयर, नेल, नर्वस सिस्टम, मेडुला of adrenal gland, posterior and intermediate lobes of pituitary gland, pineal gland, eye conjunctiva, cornea, lens, retina, iris and ciliary body, ciliary muscles, nasal and olfactory epithelia, enamel of teeth, epithelium of foregut and hindgut, glands like sweat gland, oil gland, mammary gland, salivary gland and lacrimal glands. Fat of mesoderm hla dermis of skin, muscles except iris and ciliary muscles, connective tissue, kidney, gonads, notochord, heart, blood, lymph vessels, urinary and reproductive ducts. Most of the skeleton, coelomic epithelium, pericardium and pleura, dentine of teeth. These are all from the mesoderm. It also includes cortex of adrenal gland, mesenteries, sclera and choroid of eye, wall of the gut except the lining. These are the mesodermal structures. And the endodermal structures are lining of gut except for gut and hindgut. Some glands, pancreas, liver, gastric gland, intestinal gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus, larger part of prostate gland, inner layer of tympanic membrane, lining of middle ear, trachea, bronchi, lungs, urinary bladder, urethra. These are all from the endoderm, and these are all about the fat of germ layers. So let us come to the again the same first portion. 2 layer blastula become 3 layer gastrula, and the process during the process cells migrate like this, okay, so that in between ectoderm and endoderm a mesoderm is formed. This is mesoderm. So this process is called as a gastrulation process. Thank you.